Joe Beermaster here. Today I'm going to show you how to set up the Philips Hue, and it comes with three things: your landline, your power wires, and your bridge. First thing you want to do is put this in the power port. I don't know why it comes like that, probably because of shipping. So we're going to plug this into an outlet. Then we're going to put the landline into one of the ports over here in the router. And then we're going to connect it to the bridge. Okay, now we're going to connect the other port to the bridge. And now we're going to connect the power cable. Okay, so now it's time to set up. I'm going to press the button. You're going to see the three lights light up, and let it set up. Okay, so now everything's lit up. That means it's ready. So now we're going to go to the App Store on the iPhone. Okay, so now we're going to go to the App Store. And then we're going to put in Hue. And there it is, Philips Hue. Double click to install. We're going to open it up. You would like to find and connect the devices. Get started by powering your Hue bridge and hooking it up to your Wi-Fi router. We've already done that. Now we're going to search. It's pretty simple. One new bridge fan, connect. Now we're going to connect it, press the button on the Hue, the bridge. If you would like to access your home data, and that's required. We'll do an update. It's installing the updates now. This is actually very simple to do. So far, the longest thing is just waiting for this update. And it says there an update is available for your Hue bridge, which is necessary for the proper functioning of this app when installing your system. May become unresponsive for a short while. Keep the lights and the Hue bridge powered on. So now the update is done. Agree to the terms and conditions. Enable. Boom. Tap here when you want to continue. Pair bridge to the phone. It's connected. All right. Okay, so now it's connected. We have to set up the rooms. No rooms are created, and you want to go into your create rooms. And so we have a couple lights here, and then we go create the rooms from that point on.
Let's do this one. Bathroom.
So we're going to select the room we're creating. We're going to say, let's go with bathroom. All right. Save. 2 lights. All right, so this is a 4-bulb system, so this is going to be new. We want to create a room. We're going to go, let's go bathroom. All right. And we're going to save. All right. So once you got that all done, now you have to set up the lights. And that's what you want to do. So we're going to go into settings. And it's saying this light is unreachable, so let's tap that. Let's gotta make it connect. Okay, now I have all 4 lights set up, and I'm going to say it was very difficult to set up these 4 lights. There are no instructions, and in fact, at one point I was just going to send it back. So after playing with it, I figured it out. I'm going to give you an example. Living room light, turn it off, turn it on. And I could change the hue, the color, just by moving this around. It's pretty neat. Like I said, there's no directions on how to actually connect the bulbs to the system. So you have to make sure all your lights have power to them. And then you go from there trying to figure it out. I can't even explain it, and I could not find it anywhere on the internet.